Good afternoon, everybody. We are here in the pea field. Ooh, those are really good tender. So, stray corn. Anyways, this portion of the field looks pretty good. I got a section over there. It got a little bit drowned out. You'll see that in some drone footage, and I'll be talking through it. Right now, the pea pickers are here. They've obviously done this section. We've got one truckload out of here. We're waiting for another truck to empty. Everybody's full, which is a good thing. I think it's a really good crop on this side anyways. Obviously where it got drowned out isn't. We got to hop across the creek and do another 40 acres over there sometime tonight once they get rolling. We'll get to some drone footage and we'll go from there. Enjoy. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed the montage. We're a little later at night now. Had to get these guys rolling. Trucks come in. We're at the different field, but things are working well. So tomorrow we are going to grab the tedder, ted this out. We're going to spread a little bit of manure because we need to. And hopefully, maybe we'll plant some soybeans. That'll be the next couple days, but we'll see you in the morning. Morning! Next day, we're going to go hook up the tedder. Spread out that pea straw and got the manure tank hooked up. Always going to start spreading right behind me. Potentially have to work some of it, and I think tomorrow we're going to try to double crop the soybeans. shot when all gets here with the manure tank. So he's going to start spreading what I've tedded. Uncle Ross is over there in his loader tractor. You can see those big piles. He's just fluffing those out for me. That way I can just run right through them. It just makes my job a little bit quicker opposed to having to stop back through it, go through it a couple times. So it's going to be a nice little system. So this particular unit is usually used in hay or a hay situation when you're trying to spread the hay back out. We tried it last year on our peas for double crops. I thought it worked pretty good, so we're going to do it again this year. The ground looks pretty good. We don't have a lot of marks in it, so I think we're going to see. There's a lot of trash here. I think I'm going to try no-tilling into it. Stay tuned, you'll find out. Like I said, you never know until you get into it. You're like, you know what, that's not planted very nice. We're going to have to do something with it. So we'll keep you informed as you keep watching, and you will know what we're doing. So anyway, so Uncle Ross is over there. We're going to hit a pile here, and I'll kind of just show you what happens here. So I was trying to use my bucket, but it's a flat bucket, and so it just pushes it. It really doesn't spread it out. So that spreads it out pretty nice. And then if I back through it again, there we go. Look at that. Spreads that pea trash out pretty nice, I think. Anyways, yeah, we'll get to you in a moment. Goes along, and he's got some bale tines on there. You can just spread that out a little nicer so I can just drive through it and I don't go back through it. It just makes my day a little quicker. Actually, that's actually working really nice, spreading it out, those big piles. So those piles, they're from when those machines get full and they're waiting for the buggy. This is what happens when it's not your farm. If I was the one driving that pea picker, if I was stopping, I would start backing up to spread that out in this nice trench. But they're just high school kids or just people that just run equipment and they don't have to deal with it afterwards, so they don't really care. It's not a big deal. But it would be nice if they would back up, and then I could just run through the tedder. Or some people use a chopper. Some people just use the ripper and work this right in. But yeah, you got to deal with those piles either which way. First load is here. If you guys know what the smell of rotten pea straw smells like, now imagine it with chicken poo on top of it. She's gonna be ripe. Well, we definitely got lots going on in this field. Things are happening. Head nice. I am really happy with that job that it's doing. Like I said, I don't know if you really know what pea straw is like, but it's really long and stringy and hard to deal with. Those headers, they don't really, there's no chopping mechanism inside the pea picker, right? The peas just go in, get shredded, and then boom, everything comes out the back. Like in our combines, there's a chopper in the back to chop straw. And even if there was, I don't think you'd be able to chop this straw because it's so green, it'd probably just ball up. It would be nicer if the pea picker had like a spreading mechanism though on the back to spread it out instead of leaving it in these trails, but anyways, again, I'm not the designer and they don't have to deal with it after, so it's not really their problem. Okay, so we're on our way to the next field. Now, Owen has to take the road. It's a little longer, but this just GoPro died. Anyways, we're finished heading here. So when I'm finished heading, I squirt some WD-40 on the ram here. So last year I didn't do this. I didn't clean the ram. This pea stuff was so sticky and gross that it actually seized my ram shut with the pea goo. And we took the ram off. We had to hook the ram to a tractor and hook the other side of the ram to another tractor and pull it apart. It was so sticky, and maybe you don't believe that, but that's what happened. So let's see here. I don't know if you can see all this pea goo or not, but anyways, there's definite goo there. So we'll get it cleaned up before I fold it up. I actually did this too before I folded up and came over to this field. A couple extra seconds, save a lot of work. Okay, I'm gonna go with the sunflower. I got a couple touch-up spots. And then Owen just went to go get seed. He's finished spreading manure. And there's a possibility we're gonna start planting. Whew, we are hooked up in the right direction. Owen's pulling 7710 here, seeder out. He's gonna fill it, we're set up. He's good by himself. I'm gonna go start working some spots. And we'll get some drone footage here right away. Enjoy. Well, hope you enjoyed the drone footage. That's 2 drone footage you guys got today of the pea harvesters and the bean planter. I didn't think I was gonna do that all in one video, but here we are. So you can see it's actually going in pretty nice. Not, you know, those blades are just cutting the trash right apart. That tedder fluffed it out enough that we're closing. I am really happy with that. I think it's gonna so yeah, he's just gonna plant the whole thing. I just fluffed up a couple spots. I'm heading back home. I gotta grab the wagon because he needs a little more seed. But I think that's it. 2024 plant is basically in the books. Just in case you're wondering what the date is today, it is the 13th of July. We're getting late enough, but we'll gamble. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace. Have a good one.